High-definition thermal imaging can be used to find leakage heating components in motherboard maintenance. Can be connected to the computer client to use. Can be connected to mobile phone. Retractable height adjustment. See more. Stand and base. Unfold bottom to place on table. The bottom has a Type-C connection port. The top can be freely retracted in height. Infrared camera. Type-C data cable. Unfold the base and place it on the table. Install the infrared lens into the bracket. Height can be adjusted by telescoping the top. Connect the data line between the machine and the computer or directly connect to the 5 volts power supply. One end is connected to the machine. Connect the other end to a computer or a 5 volts power supply. The top of the infrared camera head is a touch switch button. It will automatically power on when connected to the power supply. The blue light flashes until it is always on, that is, the boot is complete. Open the installed TB03S software. Note that thermal imaging requires a heat source to see the picture clearly. When the motherboard does not have any temperature or no heat source, the screen can't see the motherboard clearly. Only the heat temperature of the fingers can be seen. This is normal. To find the leakage and heat of the motherboard needs to be powered on. Put it under the infrared lens. Then rotate the focusing ring left or right. Make the motherboard screen clear. Then you can clearly find the heating components. White hot, iron red and rainbow modes can be switched on the left side of the software. White hot mode. Iron red mode. Rainbow pattern. Iron red mode is used by default. Snap to save the picture. Quick check can quickly find the source of heat. Zoom in to zoom in on the motherboard. Click to zoom in and then drag the mouse to zoom in. To zoom in. Temperature and width adjustment in the lower right corner. Generally use 75-80. Can be adjusted according to actual use. Mobile phone connection method. Connect the machine to the power supply. Download the corresponding software on the mobile phone. Open the phone's Wi-Fi settings. Find the Wi-Fi name beginning with TB03S. Click and enter the password 12,345,678. The connection is successful. Return to the home page. If you are prompted that Wi-Fi is not connected to the internet, please continue to use it. Open the mobile software. Choose your language. Mobile phone connection is complete. The above is the instruction of TB03S. If you encounter any problems, please contact the technician.